In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a download button to your Wix website. By the end, you'll have a clear, clickable button that lets visitors instantly download a file. Perfect for guides, PDFs, recipes, checklists, or any resource you want to share. First, open the Wix editor for your site. Log into your Wix account, then click Edit Site to launch the editor for the website you want to update. Give it a moment to load your pages and elements so you can work smoothly. Next, add the button that visitors will click to download your file. In the left side menu, click Add or Add Elements and choose Button from the list. Drag the button onto your page where it makes the most sense, maybe in your main content area, near a related section, or inside a call to action box. Place it where it's easy to see.